Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to share with you my new oven stitch pattern. It is not difficult to make, so you don't need a lot of time and special skills. You just need grab the yarn, crochet hook 2 millimeters and seed beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. Please join me. Let's crochet the pattern. For this, make the foundation chain. Make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The foundation chain is ready. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and I will add 2 stitches for more beautiful look. It is going to be row 1. It will be a row of single crochet. For this, make a chain to bring up the yarn. I insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. I will count from the hook. Make single crochet into the 3rd chain stitch away from the hook and make single crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Like this. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Pattern consists of only 3 stitches. I continue working on my pattern. I have done the first row. Let's crochet row 2. It was a row of single crochet. Continue with row 2. Pattern has 2 rows. I have done the first one of these 2 and let's crochet my stitches with seed beads. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn and turn the work. I draw seed beads and draw 1 bead, yarn over the hook with bead like this. You can use beads or another accessories. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch, pull up a loop and pull through first 2 loops. Pull up a loop, then pull through next loop and pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. I have done double crochet and I did double crochet with yarn over in the base. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch that is with seed bead. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same thread and into the next stitch and make 1 more double crochet. So my stitch is ready or method. I have done 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 and 3. So it's like a triple stitch. It is very unusual method, so you can use it anywhere. Let's repeat one more time. I draw a bead, now yarn over, then yarn over with seed bead, insert the hook into the next stitch, then take the working yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice, and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, make double crochet into the thread that is with seed bead, and insert the hook into the next stitch, make double crochet. So insert the hook into the thread, insert the hook into the next stitch, make double crochet. So my second triple stitch is ready. Continue. So next time I will show you how to complete this row together. You can crochet this row longer than I did. So continue working by yourself. Let's complete this row together. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make double crochet. Row 2 is ready. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 3 stitches. So next time I will show you how to repeat my pattern one more time. It is going to be a row of single crochet and row number 3. Make a chain. I did a chain instead of first single crochet. I skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second stitch and make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 rows. One of them is single crochet, the second one is triple stitches with seed bead. It is very easy to make, so you don't need special skills. You just need to know how to crochet double crochet and draw seed beads onto the working yarn. And I remind you, before the work you should thread seed beads onto the working yarn. So as you can see, I finished my row. I did the last stitch into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch from the top or the third from the bottom. Make chain of 3, turn the work. This is the front side of the swatch. Let's look at it. Let's stop at this point and look at my swatch. In this case I have done 3 rows. You can use such kind of pattern for any product to create bracelet or necklace choker, or just it could be main pattern for the scarf or another accessories. As for jewelry, you should crochet the foundation chain longer and try it on your head or neckline, and then crochet the stitches. For this one I used ball of yarn, seed beads and a crochet hook, but you can use just beads and different sizes of crochet hooks and your favorite color of yarn. And I continue working on my pattern. Let's crochet one more time my triple stitch. For this, make yarn over the hook, then yarn over the hook with yarn seed bead. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through first loop with seed bead, and pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread, then insert the hook into the stitch, and make double crochet one more time, and double crochet the third time into the same thread and stitch. Let's stop and look at this point. My triple stitch is ready. Don't forget to crochet chains to bring up the yarn in the beginning of each row. Let's stop at this point and look at another example. So that's it, my small swatch is ready. Here how it looks. This is my oven stitch pattern that I created for you. And for this pattern you need to grab crochet hook, yarn and seed beads. You don't need special skills. You just need to know how to crochet double crochet and work with seed bead. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. One of them is single crochet and another one is triple stitch. Here how my swatch look like, made of cotton yarn. You can use such kind of pattern everywhere. You can start from the jewelry and continue with any product that you would like to get as a result. If you would like to make some patterns without seed beads, please use description below this video and find a lot of tutorials with beads and without seed beads. It depends whatever you want. Please write comment below the video what you will get with these video tutorials or with others. I'm glad to hear any comment from you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye!